Some ADUR updates, starting with their filing for a patent application for a novel process design that integrates off-the-shelf industrial equipment to effectively implement its hydrochemolytic technology, HCT. The next generation process, NGP, pilot plant, which will utilize this technology, is set to be completed in the third quarter of 2025 and will serve as a testing ground for processing various waste streams, generating valuable operational data and insights critical for refining the technology and scaling it up for full commercialization. This new patent strengthens ADUR's position in advancing HCT chemistry and practical implementation, allowing the company to continue building on its expanded intellectual property assets while offering a scalable solution to chemical recycling challenges. Then on January 29th, 10 a.m. ET, ADUR will present at the Microcap Conference 2025 and hold one-on-one meetings with investors to discuss its growth strategy and investment opportunities. 22nd Century Group has regained compliance with Nasdaq's minimum bid price requirement, according to a formal written notice from the Nasdaq Stock Market LLC, after the company had previously not met the requirements set out in Nasdaq Listing Rule 5550A2. As for Airship AI, it secured a one-year system maintenance and sustainment contract for an existing Fortune 100 client using the company's Acropolis Enterprise Video and Data Management Platform. The deal includes ongoing health monitoring, technical support, engineering services, and software maintenance, underlining Airship AI's ability to generate revenue from professional services in addition to traditional offerings. Next, ChargePoint, a major provider of EV charging solutions, has entered into an agreement with AAA to become a preferred supplier. The deal will provide ChargePoint's chargers and services at reduced prices for the over 12,000 service providers representing 27 AAA clubs across the US and Canada. This includes towing services, automotive repair companies, among others needing EV charging facilities. The partnership aims to facilitate the expansion of reliable and affordable EV charging infrastructure. Meanwhile, Comstock Fuels Corporation established its corporate headquarters in Oklahoma City, triggering the first of three $1 million awards from the Oklahoma Department of Commerce's Quick Action Closing Fund. The relocation was incentivized by a $3 million grant award from the fund, expected to create employment opportunities and stimulate economic growth within Oklahoma's energy sector, as Comstock Fuels builds its first 75,000 metric ton per year commercial demonstration facility in the state. Comstock Fuels Corporation also joined the BDO Zone Strategic Partners Network to accelerate and de-risk bio-based project development in biomanufacturing designated zones. The partnership combines the expertise of the BDO Zone initiative in certifying regional readiness for biomass production with Comstock Fuels' renewable fuel solutions. This collaboration aims to speed up the identification, pre-certification, and deployment of qualified feedstocks and sustainable fuel production sites with proven conversion technology. In addition, Comstock Fuels Corporation signed an exclusive marketing agreement for their advanced lignocellulosic biomass refining processes in Australia, New Zealand, Vietnam, and Malaysia, with Singapore-based renewable fuel project developer SACL PT Limited. The agreement covers the construction, operation, and financing of additional bioleum refineries in Malaysia, adding to the 4 existing sites under development in Australia and Vietnam. Comstock Fuels will receive a 20% equity stake in each bioleum refinery, plus royalty and engineering fees, totaling an estimated value of over $4 billion for the 4 planned refineries, with potential annual sales of around $3 billion at current prices. For more on Comstock and these other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.